Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure your device mic is on and you have an active internet connection because the assistant processes voice in the cloud. Sign into your Google account and enable voice match and mic permissions so it recognizes you. Once done, say, "Hey Google," or tap the assistant icon to start. This first step gets the assistant listening and calibrated to your voice, which reduces misfires and speeds up accurate responses. Now configure features so the assistant matches your workflow. Set languages, create routines, pick default music and navigation apps, and tighten privacy controls. Then practice actual commands, set a 10-minute timer, add a calendar event, request driving directions, or control smart lights. Use follow-up mode so you can ask a related question without repeating the wake phrase. This preserves flow and saves time. Make sure to test context responses, because that's how the assistant chains tasks and becomes more useful. To finish, validate settings, confirm voice match, microphone access, and that the Google app is updated. These stop most problems. If something still fails, restart your device, clear the app cache, or retrain the voice model to improve recognition. When internet is unreliable, switch to offline features or type queries in the Assistant app to maintain control. One key troubleshooting tip: if the assistant consistently mishears you, retrain voice match. This usually...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.